Hello guys, good afternoon. This is my first orchid plant. My sister found it in coconut after someone had thrown it away. She brought it home and my Mai Kaka helped me plant it on a coconut tree. We tied it securely on the tree using coconut shell and a rope. Since it is the rainy season now, the orchid is growing very well because of the moisture and the rain. Earlier it had only two leaves, but now it has grown two more leaves and three, four new shoots. I am very excited and eagerly waiting to see its flowers. I also don't know what color the flowers will be. Guys, if you have any idea, guy, if you have any idea when the flowers might bloom, please let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye for now and we will meet again soon. Bye.